at the edge of everything we understand, there is a place. Not a place, really. A rupture, a question the universe refuses to answer. It does not sit in space. It breaks space. Inside it, time does not move forward. It does not even pause. It turns backwards. Inside itself, one moment, then another that has already died. A loop, a collapse of meaning, a naked singularity. No light escapes it. Not because it is dark, but because escape has no definition there. Gravity does not curve, it ends. Space folds inward until direction becomes irrelevant. At the center of a dying star, something refuses to become anything at all. No surface, no boundary, no event horizon to protect reality from what lies within. Just infinite density, exposed, naked. It should not exist, and yet mathematics allows it to be born. A point where equations collapse into silence. A place where physics stops describing and starts warning. If you fell toward it, there would be no moment of impact, no final second, because seconds would lose agreement with each other. Your feet would age differently than your head, your future splitting from your past, before either could be named. Time begins to shear. Light bends too sharply to escape. It spirals, loops, returns, like a memory that cannot finish itself. And at the core, Einstein's equations whisper something unacceptable. That spacetime is incomplete, that under extreme collapse, causality dissolves. There is no now here, only overlapping echoes of was and will be, and something stranger again. Imagine a star, millions of times heavier than the sun, falling inward on itself, a final breath of gravity. A collapse so complete, even structure forgets it was ever structure. Ordinary black holes hide this collapse behind an event horizon. But a singularity removes the veil. It reveals the wound, the universe unshielded. Space is stretched so thin it becomes mathematical noise. Distances lose meaning. There is no far here, only less near and less gone. Time itself begins to behave like a fluid under stress, curling, twisting, flowing backward in pockets where cause cannot hold. If such a place exists, it does not merely distort the universe, it questions it. Everything we call forward, everything we call history, everything we believe to be becoming is no longer guaranteed. There is a strange thought that somewhere in the cosmos an object exists where time hesitates, then turns around and looks back, not metaphorically, not symbolically, but physically, as geometry. A universe without direction, without sequence, without promise of continuation, just recursion, infinite return, and in that return, the idea of an ending becomes uncertain, because even endings must happen after something. One final truth, whispered at the edge of mathematics. If the singularity is naked, then so is reality, exposed, unfinished, staring back at itself through broken time.